We usually go on hair collection, all these cities and towns, small towns where we cut the hairs, and then this bag is like about 10 kilos of hair. It's like 25 pounds of hair, and then we get back to the warehouse, to the factory where we you see they've got all kind of rubbers, they have all kind of lengths here, and most of them they are very dirty, they need to be cleaned now. At this stage I usually sort them into soft hair and then coarse hair into wavy hair and then straight hair. So I will have like 6-7 types of hairs sorted, and then the next stage we start washing them. As you see, I get sometimes I collect this, I cut this brown hairs as well, which is, you see, out of like 3 kilos I only have like 1, or maybe there's another one in here, so it's 2. So we keep this hair separately because we already have people waiting for such brown hairs. They have prepaid, they've sent money in advance for me to keep this brown hairs for them separately. However, all these hairs are extremely soft, nice and silky and shiny. As you see, it's just full length. The main important thing I usually pay attention at, it's healthy hair, the virgin hair, and the quality. It's the great quality hair that I've been collecting since 2008, like over a decade now. I've been spending time on collection. I was taking my time on testing, bleaching. Well, you tell me what we can do with hair. Anything you do with hair, coloring, bleaching, etc. I did them all to my hair. So if you have a salon there, and if you have very well established business there with longer hairs, shorter hairs, and all kinds of hairs, coarse hairs, fine hairs, please feel free to place your orders with me. I will fulfill your needs with the best quality hair. So when you tell me you want brown hair, I will get you brown hair. When you tell me you want dark, natural, virgin hair with some slight wave to it, I will get you this hair. Let's say you tell me slightly coarser hair with some natural coarseness, I will get you a coarse hair, and etc. I get such kind of wavies as well. Now people have different hairs and different textures, different lengths. So my job is to collect the best hair for your needs, for your salon requirements, for your customers. And then once you get these hairs, you would enjoy selling it, coloring it, styling it, adding volume to it. Well, whatever you do with the hair. So this is one of the top highest quality hairs that exists, I would say easily in the world, in the planet, because I've been spending now my last 12 years collecting these hairs. I spend usually a week to collect these hairs. I don't sell them in tons of kilograms because it simply does not exist in tons of kilograms. It just exists in few kilos, which I'm able to collect them. I pay very good money to these ladies who cut their hairs, and then they sell it to me, and then I prepare them, I wash them, I clean them, I remove very short hairs from here, so you get no short hairs. I clean out the laces, you know, lice, eggs, sometimes you see it inside the hairs. I do all the, you know, job which is which needs to be done, you know, before you're there to install your hair. When you have the hair, you can straight away start installing it to your customers, wefting it, coloring it, whatever you like to do with the hair. And I'd like to thank you so much for your interest in my virgin hair, and thank you so much. Bye now.